Hello, I'm John from Happy Wife Acres. Welcome. So when we're out, one of the things that we're going to start doing is keeping this self-serve box either by the garage or maybe out by the road. But it came in handy today because 3 different people called us and said, "I want eggs." And there it is. Okay. Congratulations, girls. It's payday. Buy you more feed, I guess. Who you got?
I got Peggy.
Peggy. Oh, that's a beautiful wing, Peggy. This is Peggy. This is our no-footed chicken.
Yeah.
She's doing quite well. She lost her feet to frostbite back in January.
Yeah.
She's been hanging out with the babies.
And she's letting them crawl on her and go under her wings, and she's just being a good mom, stepmom,
A great
mom,
mothering instinct.
Okay. Bark, bark.
See? She's learning how to walk.
She walks with one foot in the front and one foot in the back. Kind of balances herself that way.
And here's all of our almost 4-week chicks. Oh, there's some guinea babies.
Still cute. I don't know when they changed to the ugly face, but they're still so cute. Our new little meaties that are in there.
Oh my goodness. So 2 things that happened this week is we sort of stumbled across 4 meat birds that somebody was looking to get rid of.
So I think they're about the same age as our chicks, but they are huge because they grow so fast. But they have taken to them. They're not. Everybody's living pretty harmoniously in here right now. I know. I'm putting you down, big fan.
Somebody just wanted a chicken and a duck, but they had to buy 6, so they were looking to get rid of the 4 meaties. I think they bought them because they were the cheapest ones in the bin.
Probably.
So I took them off their hands, and now we just said, well, we got a brooder, throw them in and see how they do, and they're doing great. So these little ones are just getting bigger and bigger.
And Peggy?
Penny has been in here with them, and they've all been getting along just great. The second big thing was somebody was looking to get rid of their rabbits.
Yeah, little ones.
And somewhere in this cage are some bunnies.
Come here, babies. Come here.
Here's a bunny. These are some older bunnies.
Come here, babies.
I think they're going to be farm mascots. So if you come visit us, you can hold and pet a bunny.
Okay, come on, little chunk. Come here, little chunk. Give me a little chunk.
There's one of them. And she is a Dutch. And I know she has a different name, but I've been calling her Brick. Because she's built like a brick.
They are very loving rabbits. Yeah.
This one, I've been calling her Biscuit.
I think she looks more like gravy. You want a little too? Hey! You can't steal that. I'm sharing. No, come back.
I want a carrot. Give me a carrot. Would you like some celery?
She's very soft.
Okay.
Look at that. I'm not even holding her. She's like gripping on.
So this is Biscuit, and she is a mini Rex. So we think they're about...
A T-Rex?
Not a T-Rex. We think they're about 4 to 5 years old. Very friendly, very loving. I've been thinking about, well, we've let them loose with the chicks here, supervised.
Yes.
And they seem to ignore each other, which is good. Then, if you have any experience with bunnies and chicks together, let me know.
Oh, she's so cute. Oh, nice. Such a good bunny.
So when families come out to visit the farm this summer, they'll be able to pet these beauties.
And they do purr like cats.
This one is so soft.
Yes.
So if you have rabbits, if you've had rabbits, want to give us some pointers, go right ahead. We're just trying to learn about them as fast as we can.
I'm going to try to get out of here. I can't. You're pushing me against.
Chickens are just roaming the field.
Hey, Patty, you're not roaming anywhere, are you?
This is Mr. Lucy doing what Mr. Lucy is paid to do. He goes out in the field and gets a mouse. Unfortunately, he brings it in the garage and proceeds to eat it all. And then he leaves us the bile. Oh, there's some good stuff. Sorry. Then he leaves us the bile sac, and then we have to clean that up, and probably the massacre that he's making right here. Fresh mouse, enjoy, kitty.
That's gross.
We are gonna trim these 2 apple trees. We never got to them last year, and they are just way overgrown. I think a lot of this is about to go. I know we're only supposed to do like a quarter of it, but it was amazing they had any apples at all last year. So we'll get started. So that's the after. And I know the tree purist will come out and say, you should have only done a quarter of the limbs, but that thing was so overgrown. And we know we did trees like this last year. We did this apple tree last year. I know we chopped it to death, but you know, it came right back and turned into a good little tree. These are all the branches that we took off. It looks so much smaller when it's up in the tree. So now we gotta grind it. Well,
everybody seems to be happy.
Thanks for watching. I want to ask you, please, if you're watching this with YouTube, which you are, please subscribe. We need some subscribers.
Thanks.
And then have your friends subscribe, and your mom and your sister.
I know you like our videos.
Because you're watching.
You're watching them.
Yeah.
You wouldn't watch them if you didn't like them.
Okay.
Or you like something.
Just hit that white logo that says Happy Wife Acres. Just click it. Click it right now, and then you will be subscribed. And follow. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
All right.
Have a good week. We love y'all.